continue on to the video, just need to be able to take a few seconds of your time. And so we want to be able to ask you a question. Are you looking to gain more referrals for your agency, your home health, your home care, your hospice agency? We want you to be able to join us at our online marketing bootcamp that has over 7.5 hours of training. When you actually watch our bootcamp and join our online marketing bootcamp training, you're going to get a free month access to our 10xpatientreferrals.com. So sign up for a limited time at 10xpatientreferrals.com and enjoy all the content. So let's go ahead and get back to the video that you're currently watching.
Hey everyone, it's Michael here with HomeHealthSuccessAcademy.com and 10xPatientReferrals.com, and our goal here in this video is to be able to share with you guys some tips, tricks, and tactics and strategies on how to be able to market your home care, your home health, or even your hospice agency. So you're part of the video series where we share with you guys what are things that you can actually give that makes you stand out. Now, of course, we totally believe in education-based marketing materials. That's the number one thing that's going to be able to make yourself stand out and you become the person that has information for them. But in addition, you don't want to just go into a place that you're marketing to and not have some form of a treat. And so we always teach that you should bring something, but at the very same time, you have to stand out. That's the goal in marketing and branding, is how do I stand out from the other marketers? Are they just giving the typical mugs? Are they giving the typical pens, the typical water bottle, those calendars, right? Or are you somebody that stands out? So this is called our poop marketing or our crappy marketing. And you're gonna find out why it's called that in a few, right? And we normally do this. Let's say, for example, we're doing a new target on new places. We don't bring this the first, second, or even third week visit. We bring this on the 5th or the 6th, or even towards the last 2 visits of the maybe the 7th or the 8th visit, or the 7th to 8th week, right? So, and this is why it's called, crappy marketing or duty marketing, right? Or poopy marketing. So I don't know if you ever heard of this or this particular item, but this is probably, I know you might say, like, Mike, that's kind of disgusting, but listen, like, people don't refer to you unless they know you, they like you and they trust you, right? So the first thing is need to gain their attention, right? And when I first got this gift right here, I was just like, are you serious? And my sister actually is the one that gave it to me. And ever since then, I'm sorry, it's been God sent, when I have visitors in my place, in my house, or even for myself, it doesn't matter. So it's called poo-pourri, right? So it's, it's a play on words with, potpourri, I don't know what to call it, those flowery flower items, dried items that, potpourri, there you go. That's called potpourri. And it costs less than $5. You can get it at any, at Amazon.com, Walmart. You can get it in, I've seen it in Home Depot as well. So what it is, before somebody does number 2 in the bathroom, what you do is you spray a couple sprays into the water before you do the deed. You do the duty deed, right? And what happens is when, for some reason, you do number 2, it smells a little bit better. It just releases a nice scent, and at the very same time, it keeps the smelly items below because it's kind of an oily spray when you spray in the water. So, yes, I understand. But I want to share with you guys what makes you stand out. And you don't have to do this, right? So, but what we do is, in a little small package, we're going to give them the potpourri. This one right here is a eucalyptus spearmint scent, but they have different scents available. And so what we do is that on a crappy day, we put a little pun or a little joke there. On a crappy day, we want to be there for you and protect you and take care of your business. So if you look at that, crappy day, take care of business, we want to be there for you. And so, once again, there's 2 things. They can be turned off by it and say, like, ew, disgusting, right? Or at the very same time, they laugh. Either or, it's 50-50% chance that they may start referring to you, they may not. But what we've seen is that it actually makes us stand out. And people will actually call us out and they say, that was funny. That was amazing. That was really, really funny. And so, like I said, we're going to give one of these, and then at the very same time as we also we went to orientaltrading.com, and you can purchase it in Oriental Trading. But we bought those, those massage balls. You guys have seen those, right? Those stress relief massage balls. And they have one that looks like the poop emoji, right? So if you don't know what a poop emoji is or what an emoji is by now, my gosh, you need to be able to get out of the cave that you're in. So it's pretty much a little cartoon that looks like poop. And yes, it stands out. Yes, it is different. And that is the goal in marketing, is to be able to stand out. But you're not going to just come in and give one of these, right? When you do something like this, when you bring something like this, it comes with an attitude. You can't be there and be monotone and be like, I got you this. No, you have to be playful a little bit. They need to know that, hey, other than you being a serious person, that you want to provide great care, that you want to provide services, that you're there for them to support them, even during crappy times, that they can have fun, right? They can have fun with you. And that's what it is, because it's relationship building. That's how we get referrals, is how do you stand out? How does it make, can they trust you? How can they see that you are the right fit to work with their company, that you can become the preferred provider of choice? I mean, when we're making this video, it's during the time of the COVID-19 problem, right? So if you're watching this video, I don't know, 2 years from now in 2022, or you're watching it at this very moment while things are going on, we actually added an extra tactic. We actually did what they call a toilet paper. So it kind of works well with this video. We're not going to give you one of these and a toilet paper and the poop emoji massage ball, right? That's nothing that we're going to do. But, just in the spirit of poopy dookie #2 marketing, we actually bought boxes, and put a 2-ply toilet paper in the box, put a logo on it, put a seal that said break in an emergency. And this, we went to new facilities that we weren't marketing to, and we were telling the agencies that we consult for, that we manage the marketing team, we say, do this, we're seeing good results. Because we were getting an average of about 17% new referral sources in less than a month. We were closing more deals by just doing this. Because when they got that thing, because there was a toilet paper shortage, they got it and they said, oh, that was funny. That was amazing. Because nobody's gonna just, they have a gift. We drop them off if we weren't able to see them, or we saw them and we say, hey, just want to be able to give you something. And if there's a logo that says break only in an emergency, do you think that they're not going to open it even though there's no emergency? Because they don't know what's in it. And when they opened it, it just brought people with laughter. And actually the funny part is that we got one call that said, you know what, thank you so much for giving me that gift. Because when I got home, we actually ran out of toilet paper at my house. So the fact that you gave me this, you really helped me. So that was such an amazing call. I mean, it was funny at the same time. We were like, oh man, I'm glad we could help, right? Now, to be added to the poopery, you'll be surprised how many social workers and discharge planners, or even doctors' office managers, the office managers for the doctors that normally calls us for the referrals, they keep this in their office. And the reason for that is because, a lot of times they share the same bathroom with other people. So by having this is actually a sign of relief for some people. And, this is actually, I will tell you one thing, in our Christmas holiday gift, when we give a holiday package to our current referral sources that we love to work with, we always make sure they get one of these during the holidays. And they appreciate it so much. It's one of the best holiday gifts. This is great for stocking stuffers if you guys want for the holidays. I'm just going to say that right now. Once again, it's called poopery. This is called our crappy or our duty or our whatever marketing strategy we have. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. That's my main goal here, is to be able to share information to you guys, for you guys to be able to see it and say, you know what, maybe we can try this. And so if you like this video, make sure you like the video by clicking the like button, the little, fingers up type of a thing. And also at the same time, subscribe to this channel, and also click the bell button, because it's going to be able to notify you when we have new videos such as this that's going to be able to help you succeed in marketing. Always understand that home health marketing is always going to be easy when you know what you're doing.
This video is brought to you by medicationreminderprogram.com. Are you trying to look for that one edge up to be able to get you more referrals or to get new referral sources? Well, that's medicationreminderprogram.com. If you start offering this for your patients and future patients, you're going to be able to show future referral sources that you're doing something different, that you're providing better services than your competition. The daily reminder program goes like this. We will call the patients for you twice a day and remind them to take their medications at 9 o'clock in the morning and at 5 p.m. A top reason for hospitalization of seniors is not taking their medications. So what you're going to be doing here is you're going to be giving them comfort of mind, both family and referral sources. So sign up to medicationreminderprogram.com right now. There's 3 packages available, but at the very same time, right now, with code 50 off, you can actually get 50% off our Gold plan and the Platinum plan. So just stop by medicationreminderprogram.com and let us help you get more referrals. Let's go back to the video you're currently watching. Everyone, we want to be able to invite you to our 10xpatientreferrals.com, where we have our online home health marketing academy that's going to be able to help either a home health, home care, or hospice agency increase referrals, increase their census, and create a profitable company. Now, at this very moment, you're going to have access to these information through these training, marketing to physicians, how to get to hospitals, how to be able to get into nursing homes, and much, much more at a month-to-month basis with no contracts needed. It's just month to month. Now, guess what? We are offering you guys for a limited time 50% off any one of our plans. Just choose which one is going to be able to work better for you. So just stop by the 10xpatientreferrals.com at any given moment. So these are the plans that are available, whether it's the gold, the silver, or the platinum plan. Most people go for the gold plan, but it's up to you what's going to work for you. We definitely want to be able to have you come in and work with us. So here's 2 choices. Go to 10xpatientreferrals.com or click the link down below. Take advantage of this right now at this very moment and sign up with us.